Let's turn it over to Kyle to talk about the forecast here.
Yeah, the breeze definitely been stronger today, and it was yesterday as well, and so that's really ramped up the fire danger a little bit across the area. I mean, we've been over the last week or so, we've had the high fire danger because of the drought, the dry conditions, and it certainly has been, a little bit breezy, but the wind definitely been stronger the last couple of days, and it's going to be, I don't want to say, the strongest ever, but, winds 10, 20 miles an hour, gusting to 30 or so. That's plenty of wind speed to quickly spread a fire. So that's why we have that red flag warning for everybody along and west of I-35. It's through tomorrow. I just would be shocked if it's not extended Friday, Saturday, Sunday into the weekend, maybe even into next week as well. They just kind of extend these things one day at a time, but we've had one in effect for, I don't even remember when the first one went into effect, but it's been a while now. Yeah, it's definitely going to continue for that high fire danger. So remember, keep the cigarette butts in the car. Watch out for the tow chains. Don't park over that tall grass. Respect the burn bans, which are in place across pretty much all of North Texas, especially every single one of those locations that's under that red flag warning, and use extreme caution with sparks or open flames. Anything that causes sparks or any open flames, if you're out, working on any equipment, have a water source nearby. Use extreme caution with any of that, because I know you can do some of that stuff, obviously, when there's a burn ban, because you're not doing actual outdoor burning, but you still have to be very, very careful. Excessive heat warning does continue through tomorrow. It's going to get extended as well through the weekend for all of DFW and most of North Texas. A heat advisory in place for northern areas. What we're watching at the moment is actually a chance for a few showers or storms the remainder of the day today, mainly across western, northwestern North Texas. A few showers and storms go up during the heat of the day. Coming up here in the next hour or two, it's possible to get a few that bubble up, and then they'll last until after sunset. Then we lose the heat of the day and everything kind of comes to a close. So it's a 10, 20, maybe 30% coverage across the area for DFW. I think it's pretty low that anybody in and around DFW sees any rain today, but if you're west-northwest to DFW, it's not impossible to see a few showers and storms, but even in those areas, it's not like everybody will see rain. If you find yourself underneath the storm, could have some gusty winds associated with it. All those storms or any rain that's out there dies out into the overnight hours. We're dry to start the day. Tomorrow will be another hot, sunny, and breezy day, but it's not impossible once again to maybe get a shower or storm out there tomorrow, but I think coverage tomorrow's very, very low. An optimistic 10% across the area. It's probably more like 2% or something like that, but I just have to put something to say that it's not impossible to maybe have a shower or storm pop up tomorrow afternoon. Of course, the heat will continue. It's 105, it's 106 right on through the weekend and into next week as well. So tonight, if there's any rain out there, it'll come to a close. For most of you, it'll just be a warm, muggy, and breezy night, and that'll especially be the forecast by tomorrow morning when we have that low of around 83. I don't have any rain around to start the day tomorrow. Very hot and breezy tomorrow with that high of 106 tomorrow afternoon, and then there you go. We continue to have triple digits for that entire 10-day forecast right on through next week as well. Our normal high is 97 through August 15th, and then it drops to 96. So we're getting close to that time of the year where things are supposed to be cooling off. Yeah, not so much on that 10-day forecast, though.
All right, we'll pull up a chair and wait then. Thanks, Kyle.